Able to see the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yeah.
yes, Raj.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Who you are not speaking, please go on mute. Whenever you have any doubts, please unmute and ask. Okay, because others will disturb. So please go on mute who are not speaking. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So welcome to my new batch, 8th batch. This is 8th batch. I'm starting. Okay. So let me introduce myself. This is not Raj. People call me Raj. I'm having almost 10.11 years of experience. If I say exactly, if I calculate this month, I have almost 11 years of experience into Informatica. So I am working in Bangalore. I am from Hindupur actually, from Anantapur district, Andhra Pradesh. I settled in Bangalore. So I have total 11 years of experience. In that, I have worked in several companies. I worked in HCL Technologies Bangalore. I worked in Capgemini Bangalore. I worked in Step2 Technologies Bangalore. Currently, I'm working in Dell Technologies Bangalore. Okay. So in this all 11 years, I have total 11 years of experience into Informatica PowerCenter. Okay. From day one till today, I am working in Informatica PowerCenter. Okay. So as I have real-time experience, I'll be telling only the real-time things to you. So now, no, that means, so which are not useful, I will never cover at all. Which are useful for interview, which are useful for project purpose, I'll cover only this. Okay. So this is about myself. I welcome you all people to my training. Okay. So the thing is actually from this batch onwards, I created a website. Okay. So that's why normally for the last 7 batches, I was sending the direct Zoom link which I'm sending to you like this. Okay. But from this batch, I have created a website. Okay. And it should automate. Okay. So what you people do is when you start from Monday after this class, okay, so you open the website, few people are already logged in. Okay, what you do is I'll show you what you want to do. Okay, first thing after the class. Okay, so let me open Chrome. You are able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you just open. Okay,
Yes,
you all got the mails. Did you get all the mails? This kind of email you got it?
Yeah.
I will show you. Did you get this kind of email? Anybody did not get?
Got
Anybody did not get? Anybody did not receive this kind of email? Guys, anybody did not receive? Because see, now 60 people are joined. When I start from website, only 30 people are joining. Okay, so I'm not sure what is the problem, but still okay. First day it will be like that only. So once we settle down, it will go smooth. Okay, don't worry. So if you don't get an email, I'm sending you here directly here in the chat window. Okay, so I'm just sending it. Did you receive it in chat, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes.
what you need to do is see, please. Whoever are not done, whoever are done, leave it. Whoever are not done, just click on this link. When you click on this link, one second, please. Just click on this link. Just give me a second. Let me open another browser. Yeah, it will show like this. When you click on this link, it will show like this. So whatever the Gmail ID, suppose this is the Gmail ID. Okay. So whatever the Gmail ID you have given to me, okay, first you need to sign up to the Zoom. Okay, first you need to sign up to the Zoom. When you sign up to the Gmail ID which you have given to me, that means you have to create an account with the Gmail ID you have given to me, and then you give your first name, okay, first name, last name, email address, confirm email address, phone number, enrollment ID, which I sent to you. Once you register, it will come to me. Then I will approve. From tomorrow onwards, okay, so from next session onwards, you can easily do it. So did you understand? So once you open this email, what you need to do is, so just click on this one first. Okay, sign up here. The meeting is a user with a Zoom account. If you have account, not a problem. Otherwise, sign up. Sign up, create a Zoom account. Sign up, create a Zoom account, and then give all your details, register. it will come to my approval. Once I approve, it will be like that. Okay. Did you understand? So no need to give a password. Nothing is required. Once you've done this, I have sent you one thing, right? Once you send this, you have to click on this link. No, I'll show you 1 second. This also I sent in 1 second. Let me check the. Give me a second, please. Yeah. So I'll send. I have already sent. It's raj-informatica.com. Tutor Zoom meeting. Just click on morning or evening. You will go directly to the log. Okay. No need to enter any password, any ID, nothing. Okay. So did you understand what you need to do?
Yes.
Any doubts,
Yes,
please?
sir.
See this. Whatever I have showing the email. Few people got into spam. Okay. I'm not sure. Few people directly got into their inbox. Few people got this email. That means spam means this one. Okay. Here. See, I also got in spam sometime. Okay. So you just click on this link, then it will go to here. It will go to here. Okay. So here, first you register with the sign up with the Zoom, then do it, then all these things, then it will come. When I approve, when I start from the website, it will automatically come. Did you get it, please, everybody? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So will you do it who are not done after this class? Because Monday, next session is on Monday. Okay. So it should go smooth on Monday. So Monday also we should not waste time. Okay.
No, please.
So if you have any doubts, please ask. Okay, this is about this one. Okay. So the next one is, so as I told you, I launched a website. Okay. Everything will come to you from here only. Everything, whatever you are here, you are seeing student section. This is for you. Okay. Dashboard, enroll course, like join live session, edit profile. Just click on this website. Okay. On daily basis. Okay. Whatever the, so here, if you see dashboard, enroll courses, join live session, edit profile, make payment, this thing. Make payment, leave it. Okay. So anyway, you are not making any payment as of now. Okay. You already made the payments. So you go to the dashboard for the student account, I'm saying. Okay. So I'll join with the student account. Just give me a second. How it will show, I'll show you. Okay. If you see this, if you go to the student's dashboard, you will get it these things. My dashboard, my profile. Okay. So enrolled courses. Because this is new thing for me also. I have a few new thing for me also. This is for morning batch. Actually, this is for I enrolled for evening as a student. Okay. Here you will get it everything. If you see this. Okay. Continue course. If you click on it. Here you will see everything like this. Instructions. Okay. Informatica installation is already done. Okay. Then introduction to Informatica. What is there today? Okay. After the session, whatever I am showing now, I'll be attaching here. You can download from there. Okay. So everything will be done by, because I don't have time to send an email on the daily basis. That's why I wanted to make this process automated. So let's see how it works. Initial 1 to 3 days like this only. Don't worry, please, because it's new to me also. Somehow I should automate. That's why I have made like this. Okay. So just go through all these things once, okay, before the class, and be prepared. Okay, this is about website. Okay, so I am trying to embed class wise every class, every session wise interview questions. Okay, and consolidated interview questions, consolidated quiz, all these things I am trying to embed in, because for you, it's for you. Okay, it's not for me, it's for you people. Because if you write a test before you go to the interview, it will be very useful for you, and you can easily answer the interview. So like that, I'm just embedding one by one. Okay, just wait for it. So once I have done that, I will tell to you. Always you can check your student. Okay, always go to your student section. Okay, here. Okay, this is your section, student dashboard, enroll course, join live session. See, if I click on join live session, you will be showing two. Okay, whoever enrolled for morning, click on morning. Whoever enrolled for evening, click on evening. This one I was saying. This is the one. So you can keep it this. Okay, this is all about website. Okay, now coming to our actual thing now. Okay, coming to our actual thing. So please do it. Whoever not do it. Okay. So any doubts in this, please? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah. So just click on the links. Okay. Don't use any and don't click on any ID passwords. Don't do anything. Just click on the links which I have shown you. Okay. That's it. So after this class, today only you complete everything so that Monday it will go smooth. Okay. Actually, today I could have sent. That's my mistake. I'm sorry for that. Today I could have sent morning only because of the website developer. He was trying for automated email. Finally, that it did not work. Then I sent a manual email. Otherwise, I could have sent yesterday morning itself, so that yesterday only you could have prepared. Yes, it was late yesterday. Okay, sorry for that. But anyways, that's not a problem. Today we'll do it. From Monday it will be smooth. Okay, that is about the website. Okay. Now coming to our these things. Okay. So as you know, okay, so our classes will be morning 9:30 a.m. Morning 9:30 a.m. Okay, and evening 7:30 p.m. Okay, anyone, either this you can join or this you can join. Okay, if you didn't attend morning, okay, you ask me the link. Okay, I'll send the evening link. Same process for evening also. Okay, so this is our timing. Okay, next thing, coming to installation part. I hope everybody received installation links from me on video. Did you receive?
Yes, sir.
If you have not received, if you have not received,
Yes, sir.
yeah, if you have not received, just go to here. Okay, here dashboard. If you see the dashboard, otherwise here only in the courses installation process. Are you seeing in the website installation process? See this
Yes, sir.
here. You can directly download. Click on download. Okay, it will ask the Google Drive. It will go there. You download these things. Then download this. You can download. Then play the video. Watch the video and please go on mute. Okay, watch the video and install it. Okay, if you face any difficulties, you tell me. I will assign some person from my team to help you. They will take your desktop remote and they will do it. Okay, but you have to do it. You should know how to install. Okay, so you should know how to install. So please click on this. This is the installation process link. Okay, so I'm sending you directly in the website. Please go on mute. Yeah, so in the website, it is in courses installation process. Okay, so once you open the website, just see all these things. Okay, what are these in this? Just check it all these things, which is useful for you. We'll see this. Okay, so now as of now, go to the installation process, download Oracle, download Informatica, then play my video step by step. You process. Almost 50% people has installed already. Not 50%, 70% people are installed already because they have joined 1 week or 10 days before and they have installed. Okay, this is about installation. If you face any difficulties on installation, please text me. I will help you. Okay, the minimum requirement is i3. Yeah, minimum requirement is i3 processor and 6 GB RAM. If you have 4 GB RAM, then go for other 4 GB RAM, please. Okay, so don't take 2 GB RAM, take 4 GB RAM. It will be useful for you next 2-3 years at least. Okay, so that is the minimum requirement. 6 GB RAM, i3 process, either 8, 10, 11, it will work. 7, it will not work. Before 8, before Windows 8, it will not work. This it will work from 8. But if it is having Windows 10, that will be good. It will be faster. Windows 10 is faster than 8. That is about this. Okay. Next. Okay. So what you will get daily basis? Daily basis, what you will get it? You will get one zip file from me on the daily basis. You will get a zip file from me on the daily basis. So zip file in the sense today's notes, Word documents, Excel sheet which I shown you, tables, DDLs, DMLs, okay, table structures, the data of the tables, and also any flat files, any XML files, all these things I will send to you. Okay, on the daily basis, where you will get it from here on. I will send the link in the group once I attach the here on in the students. Okay, enrolled courses. Okay, if you go to your course, here, okay, here only I will embed. Okay, so somewhere for the first one, right? Introduction to today is this one, introduction to Informatica, right? Here you can download that this one, what zip file. Okay, that is about whatever I show in the class, I will send it to you. Okay, so that is about this one. Okay, next, okay, see, this is my 8th batch. Okay, first batch I have started with 25 people, second batch 34 people, third batch 63 people, fourth batch 82 people, fifth batch 110 people, sixth batch 115 people, seventh batch 120 people, eighth batch as of now 102 people are joined. This entire week people will join. Maybe it will go till 150. I'm expecting till normally first day of the class 70 people will be there in every batch. Next 1 week 30 people will join. In this batch already 101 people are joined. I'm expecting still maybe 30 more. I'm thinking. So that is about that. Okay. So about this one, about my batches. Okay. See how many people are there. Don't worry. I will be answering each and every questions. Okay. You can ask any questions, any question, anytime. You just unmute yourself and just ask the question. Okay. I will always happy to answer the question. Okay. I will always like whoever ask the questions. Okay. So the next thing, see, you people came for a purpose. You people joined for a purpose to my training. That means few people, now almost all people, almost 70% people joined for the job. Okay, that means you are doing some job, you are not satisfied with the job, you are getting low salary, or you are feeling hectic in the job, or you are not liking in the job, and you want to move to the you want to switch your job. Whoever done a purpose, they should fulfill the purpose. That means if you joined to the training for a job, you should get a job. Simple. You should get a job. Okay. So in my almost 650 people I have trained till now. Okay. Whoever did the hard work, whoever practiced on the daily basis, whoever completed the mini project which I have given, they are working now. They are working now. See, 3 kinds of people will be there. Number 1, what kind of people? They will listen carefully in the session first. Okay, they will listen carefully in the session first. Then they will practice today itself. Okay, and they will search for more thing and they will practice. Number 2, few people only will listen because they don't have time. Few people only they will listen, they will not practice. Okay. Number 3, okay, so these people, what they will do, they will not listen, they will not practice. Kind of that people, I cannot do anything. Second category, you should practice, please. Whenever you get time, at least 1 to 2 hours you spend when you don't have time. If you have time, practice whole day, nothing will happen. How much ever you practice, that much faster job you will get. People have shown me, okay, people have shown me this. I'm really proud of my candidates. Same way I will proud of you people also, because for the 11 years experience I have been working in different companies. I did not get the job satisfaction till now. That means, yes, I got it, but something is missing in my life. Okay, but when I started my training, okay, I am really satisfied. I really satisfied my work I am doing. That means the job satisfaction. People are calling me, and they are saying me, we did not think that this much of package we will get in our dreams also. Okay, that kind of packages they have got because of my training and their hard work. I'm not saying because of my training only will get it. No. See, 2 things. I will give the best training. You have to practice. If I give the best training, if you don't practice, then no use. If I don't give the best training, if you practice, there is also no use. 2 way it will be. Okay. So what I am saying, the instruction will be always watch in laptop, always log in Zoom in laptop or desktop. Okay. Don't join in mobiles, please. Mobiles, the screen will be less. You will not understand. You will not the whatever the letters I am showing, whatever the tools I am showing, Okay, the characters will be very smaller there and you cannot visible there. Okay, and always take a room, lock your room and listen the training. Okay, so don't sit in TV room or living room or any with others. Don't sit, please. At least if you can't, if you cannot practice, at least listen my training. Please listen my classes without fail. Okay, one guy has called me, for example. Okay, so he is from 5th batch. He told that I have got the job. I just listened your training. That's it. I did not do anything. I listened carefully all the 30 classes, all the 60 hours, 60 to 70 hours you have told. I have listened it. I got the job. Then I told, you got the job, correct? But at least practice now because you have to go to the project and you have to do it. You have to implement it. At least practice from now. Okay, so listen carefully. Please listen 2 hours. Okay, carefully in the laptop. Okay, and you will get it for sure. I'm saying. If you listen carefully, if you practice well, if you do the hard work, if you complete the mini project, if you don't get the job, then ask. If you don't do all these things, then don't ask me this. Okay, sure you will get it. It's not a big deal to get a job in Informatica. It's very easy. People who don't know anything, they are getting the jobs in Informatica. You people are far better than those people. Don't worry at all. Okay, so just listen carefully. That's it. Okay, so now in this training, what and all I will cover. In this training, what you will get. Number one, see, if you don't know anything, suppose I have completed my degree in 2015. I don't know anything. I have completed my BCom. BCom normal, not BCom computers also. Because you don't have any computer knowledge. That means nowadays everybody having computer knowledge, but they don't study in the class. That's it. If you are a BCom, that means worst case I'm saying. Okay, if you are a BCom normal graduate means you don't know what is a table, what is a view, what is whatever it is. You don't know what is software. Still, you can join and you can get a job. If you should have interest, you should do hard work. So in this training, I will cover data warehousing concepts, Oracle SQL basics, Informatica PowerCenter 10.2.0 basics to advanced, Unix basic commands. I will show you one mini project. You have to implement that mini project in your system. I'll prepare the resumes for you as per your experience. I'll give the entry questions. Okay, and also I will show you how to upload, where to upload, and I will ask my previous batches to refer you people. If I have any reference in my company, I will refer you. I always give first preference to my candidates. If my friends call me, suppose I have Informatica openings, I'll refer you people only, not any others. Okay, so this, and also I will tell you how to explain the project in the interview. If they ask you, tell me about yourself, what to do, how to explain, how to crack the interview, how to answer the interview questions, everything I will tell in the class. Everything, each and every point, how to manage. Suppose after you got the job, because if you go to the fake, if you go as fake experience, you don't know what to do on the first day. If you go to the office, what to do in the first day in the office, and how to manage. Okay, how to work effectively in the projects. All these things I'll explain. Simple, guys. I will give you more than what I expect. And the only thing I expect from you is practice for yourself. That's it. I don't expect anything more than that. Just practice for yourself. That's it. Nothing more than that, please. Okay. This is about what and all we will cover. Next thing is we have a 8 batch WhatsApp group, and all my other batches, 7 batches, we have a consolidated Telegram group, because WhatsApp will allow only 256 people, 255 people. Okay, so because I have 700 people now, including you, 750 people, I guess. Okay, so I have created one WhatsApp group for only for my students. That's it. No others, only you people. That means if you get any problem in future, you can ask them. You can ask for a referral. They can refer you. You can refer them. It will be useful for you people, because 700 Informatica developers in Group A is not an easy thing. That too, all known trusted people. Whoever joined, you are joined my training means you are trusted one to me. I am trusted to you. Same way, the other batch students also trusted for you, and you are all trusted for us, for them. So 700 Informatica developers trusted. It's not a small thing. Nowhere you will get it. Nowhere you will get it. So take it forward. Okay, I will send the Telegram group after a few days. Okay, let's start with WhatsApp group. I am, instead of WhatsApp group, I am trying to embed a live chat in the website. I am trying to embed a live chat in the website. Directly you can go website and same whatever you do in the WhatsApp, you can do in the website. That is what maybe 2-3 days it will take. It will available. And I have given one forum here. It is public forum. If you see the forum, you can ask interview questions or whatever you wanted here. 1 second, please. Just give me a second. This is anybody can answer. This is not for only my students. This is not just forum. They can ask any interview questions here. You can also ask any doubts here. Either I will reply, previous batches will reply, or outsiders also will reply. But I have control. I can delete any. I can delete any chart. Okay, that means any topic. I can edit any topic. I have the access. Okay. So if you want, you can take it forward. This is for only from this batch I have started. Last batches no website. Till 7 batches, I did not get a good website developer to implement my website quickly, but finally I got it. It is implemented. It is working now. Okay. So you people are really lucky. Why? Because the older people, they don't have topic wise questions. They don't have quiz, consolidated quiz. They don't have consolidated test. Nothing they have. Okay. But I wanted to give still best to my students. I wanted to how I want to improve myself means I don't want to improve the candidate. I don't want to improve the candidate count. I want to improve my training in next level. I wanted to take my training next level. That means whoever joined, they should get a job. That's it. That is my goal. Whether students, 1 people join, 100 people join, 200 people join, I never mind. But I wanted to give still better to my candidates. That's what my intention. I work for it. I'm working for it. I work on it. Okay. So that's how about this. Okay. And also, actually, there are 100 people, right? Okay. You can practice. You can start a group. That means what I do is maybe after Monday, maybe by Sunday, what I do is I will create these 6 WhatsApp groups again. What are these 6 WhatsApp groups? Is 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., 12 p.m. to 2 p.m., 3 p.m. to 6 p.m., 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., 9 p.m. to 12 a.m., 12 a.m. to 9 a.m., 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay, I will create these WhatsApp groups. Whoever are free at the time on the daily basis, they can join in the WhatsApp group, and you can call each other. And you after this training, suppose Monday is a practical session. After the training, you have to practice. If you practice yourself individually, if you practice in group, that will be very useful. So I'll create this group, join any one of the group, okay, and call them, okay, and create a Zoom meeting yourself, okay, create a Zoom meeting yourself and join. Suppose 5 people joined, 10 people joined in this batch, okay. You people are in evening batch, you are free on morning, okay. Morning, they joined, 10 people joined in this group. One guy will create a Zoom link and send it to the group. 10 people will join there. One guy will be sharing his screen and he is doing the mapping, Informatica mapping. Others will be seeing. Once he is completed, another people can share his screen, he can do it. If he is doing any mistake, you can rectify. If you are doing any mistake, the other guy will rectify. Okay. So that if you see, if you practice in the groups, it will be very easy. I'm saying very easy because others can rectify your things. Okay, rectify your problems. Okay, that's so because this is really it is going very well. From the last batches, people are working very good in the WhatsApp groups. Okay, that means I have created a WhatsApp group. They joined and they are really working hard. They got the jobs. Example, I will tell. There are 5 people in the 5th batch. They joined one group. Okay, they are different. One guy is from AP. One guy is from 3 people are from AP. One guy is from Pune. One girl is from Pune. One guy is from I think Chennai, I guess. I'm not sure, or Bangalore, whatever. So these 5 people, what they have done, whatever I have completed, whatever I completed the session, okay, they are practicing the daily basis. And one guy got the job first. He given the interview questions to everybody, and he told what to do. Okay. And another guy got the job in some, not the same company, other company. These two people referred the other two people. They got the job and others also got the job. So when you practice in the group, you can discuss the interview questions. You can discuss how the market is, okay, how the calls are, everything you can discuss in the group. 100 people you cannot discuss. You cannot. But 10 people, 5 people you can. And also, okay, always suppose a group is having 5 Telugu speaking guys. Okay. You don't speak Telugu, always speak in English. Simple English. Whatever, if you don't know, try to speak it. Nobody will perfect this. Nobody will. We are not from US or England. We are not from UK. We know this much English only, but still we need to improve it. We should not think that I don't have communication skills means we will not have. So try to speak. This is the forum to speak English. Okay, you have to speak in English because when you go to the projects, you have to speak in English. Okay, at least in meetings you have to speak in English. So try to improve English. Simple English is fine, no problem. So nobody, whatever you are speaking, it should understand to others. That's it. That is called communication. No need to speak high language, high level English. No need. So it will be why I have created these things is okay. Why I have created these things is it will be useful for your communication skills. It will be used. You will work as a team because when you go to the projects, you should work as a team. You should help each other. You should take from help. So those kind of, to create a real-time environment, I have created the groups. If you are interested, join the groups. You have the numbers, make friends, talk with them, chat with them, and put a healthy relationship. Okay, and get the knowledge from them. Get the knowledge from them. Give your knowledge to them. That's how you have to improve yourself. You have to get the job yourself. So do you think this is helpful for you? These things?
Yes, sir.
This is helpful?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
Raj.
really, I'm
Yes,
saying,
sir.
really, it will be
Yes, sir.
helpful. Okay, because when you practice in the group, you will never forget. Because if you practice individually, suppose one problem has come, you will be seeing the problem and you are unable to rectify. Okay, and you will be wasting the time. But in a group, okay, at least one person knows about the problem. He will guide you. Okay, so I will tell you. I'll create the WhatsApp group links and I will send in our main WhatsApp group. You directly click on that link. Don't join in all groups, please. Join any one or two. Okay, and practice effectively. Okay, I should see. I will be there in the group. Okay, I should see daily your practices. Screenshot should be there. Okay, that is about these things. Okay, so
Yeah.
now, yeah, now what you have to do in our training is you don't do anything. Just listen. You no need to take the notes. I will give the notes. I will give it. Everything I will write like this, and I have Word documents. I have PPTs. Everything I have it. You just practice it. That's it. If you want, you take a pen and paper. Okay. And whenever I tell important interview question, I'll be telling on the daily basis. This is important. This for sure they will ask in the interview. That you just note it down. That's it. Otherwise, that will be there in the PPT also. Don't worry. Okay, just listen carefully. That's it. Listen. After listening, practice. Okay, so after the 15 sessions, we'll start the mini project. If you complete the mini project, then you will get a job answer. Because whatever I have done, a small project, I will give it to you. You can do that. That is about this one. So please listen. That's it. Listen. No need to. Suppose if I am doing something on laptop, you no need to do it. Just listen it and practice it. Finish. That's it. Informatica, if you don't practice, there is no use. So please practice. That's it. Okay, just practice. So there is no other shortcut, please. That is about this. Okay. So the next one is, see, you people are all completed BTech or BE, MCA or MBA or any degree. Okay, these kind of people here we have joined, or MCA, MTech people also there maybe. What, see, in BE or BTech we have 50 plus subjects. In MCA, MBA, 20 plus. In degree, at least 15 plus subjects will be there. There we have all got 70%, 60%, 50%, whatever. We have all passed. We have all studied. We came out. You have completed 50 plus subjects. In our training, only 3 subjects are there. Only 3 subjects. Only 3. Informatica, Oracle, Unix. That too, Informatica and Oracle are, you need to more and more you need to practice Informatica and Oracle. Unix is very less. 2 days I'll tell Unix, that's it. 2 to 3 days. but all the 27 days, Informatica and Oracle. When you can do it for 50, when you can clear 50 plus subjects, why cannot you clear just 3 subjects? Just 3. And that too, these are very tough subjects. It's not so easy to complete a BTech because it's not so easy to complete MCA, okay, or MBA or degree, whatever you have studied. It's not so easy, please. You have at least studied on daily basis, then you have got clear. Same way here also, when you have clear 15 plus subjects, why cannot you clear 3 subjects? You can easily. I will make you easy, so you can get it. Don't worry. Okay. And one more thing is, people will be having fears. Okay. Everybody having fears. You should come out of the fear first. What? Number 1, I don't have communication skills. Number 2, I don't know Oracle. I don't know Informatica. I don't know how to write the Oracle queries. I have a long career gap. I have educational gap. Okay. So all these fears we have. Whatever you have it, you will get a job. Whatever you have it. I will give an example. My friend, her name is Sindhu. Okay. She is 2008 passed out. She is 2008 passed out. I passed out MCA 2008. Okay. She passed out 2008 BTech. She is my friend. She got married. She did not do any work. Okay. So after that, later in 4th batch, she contacted me. She completed the course. She is working now. For 8 lakh package, she is working now. She is not having a 1 year experience also. She is working now. 2008 almost. How many? So 10 plus 4, 14 years gap. 14 years gap. She did the hard work. I did not give any extra things to her. I don't have time also. She joined the batch. She practiced. She got the job. That's it. Simple. So please leave all your worries. Come with a positive mind. You will get the job. You will get the job. Whatever in case, you should have a skill. They should have a requirement. That's it. If they have the requirement, if you have the skill, you will surely select. So don't worry. Okay, you are going for a fake. How to manage? I'm going with 3 plus. How to manage in the project? People are going for without knowing any knowledge. They are spending lakhs for proxy. They are spending. There is a nowadays it has come proxy. Okay, and job support. These were there in US actually. These 2 things were there in US. Were not there in India. Due to COVID, it came. What is this proxy means? They will take 3 lakhs. They will take 3 lakhs or 3 months salary, 4 months salary. Okay, and they will give a job. Okay, that means they will attend the interview behalf of you. That means you will be sitting in the system. He will be answering the questions. Somehow they will give an offer letter to you. They will take 3 lakhs from you. Okay, and you will go done. They will never give the training. At least if they give training, then you are safe. But they will never give training. You will go to the project because you don't know Informatica. You cannot work. Then again you want job support. Here already you spent 3 lakh. Here you already spent 3 lakh. Okay. Now, okay, in job support you will ask 20 to 30K per month. Okay. How much you got the package? Suppose you got 8 lakh package. You are giving full amount to him here only, in these 2 only. Why you want to do job then? So don't entertain these people. Okay. So don't see what I'm saying. You join any training, not only my training, any training, practice well, do the hard work, then go for a job. Don't go the job before you don't know anything. If you go, then these people, what they will do, I have seen many people. They spend 3 lakhs for proxy and they joined after 2 days, after 2 months, they came back, 2-3 months. Then these people will not give 3 lakh back. They will tell, again we'll send to one more company. That will never happen. So don't go into that things. Okay. You can easily get a job. Simple. When you don't crack a interview, how can you do the job? If I don't clear the interview, how can I do real-time job? No, you cannot do it. So please don't entertain those. Okay. So you can easily get a job. Leave all your worries. Okay. If you are trying already on Informatica, don't try now. Next 30 days, disable your resume, practice well. After 30 days, you try, you feel the difference. Okay. That is about this one. Okay. Next, what you need to do on the daily basis, at least 2 hours you practice Informatica, 2 hours practice Oracle. Give the same importance to these 2 things. I will tell Oracle and also Informatica. Oracle basics I will tell, Oracle SQL, but Informatica full deep I'll tell. Okay. Give the same importance. If you are practicing Informatica 2 hours, practice Oracle also 2 hours. If you know Oracle, it will be easy. If you don't know, I will tell. Don't worry. If you know already, it will be a plus for you. If you know PLSQL, really it's good. Okay. If you don't know anything, don't worry. I will give it. Okay. So please practice. That's it. Okay. So that is about that. Okay. Now, okay. So in this training, who and all can try for 1+ experience, fake experience, 2+ fake experience, 3+, 4+, 5+. People got 6+ also from my training. Who don't know anything, he tried for 6+ 3 months back on 4th batch, I guess. He tried for 6+, he got the job, and he's doing now individually without any support. 6+. You can try for anything, but go for 3 or 4 or 5. Okay, don't go for 6 or 7 with a fake. 3 or 4 maximum. Okay. So, and one more thing, I will tell you one guy. Okay, he is from my first batch. Mohan, his name is. He was 5+ years of experience into production support, but not in Informatica. Production support in Informatica. So his current package, he was working in Capgemini 9.5 lakh. Okay, with 9.5 lakh. Okay. After the training, okay, he got 4 offers. These are the offers he got. His current package is for 5 years 9.5. He got 16 lakh. In HCL, Infosys 19 lakh, Genpact 23 lakh, Society General, they offer 28 lakh with 2 lakh joining bonus. A person, suppose if I joined one company 9 lakh, if I be there for 6 years also, I will not get 200% hike. I will never get. Okay, and see, there are many people in my training from BPO backgrounds. Okay, from first batch onwards, first 3 girls are joined from Pune, from BPO. They are all friends. They got all 100 to 150% hike. They referred 10 people. Their friends only, their office people. These all 10 people got the jobs again. All the 10 people who they referred, they struggled, they hard work, they got the job. One girl, okay, called me, okay, maybe last week. She was getting per month 30,000 salary. Okay, per month in BPO 30,000 salary. That too in shifts, night shift, rotational shift, evening 6 o'clock to morning, somewhere around midnight shift. Okay, 8 o'clock to early morning shift. Something is there. Okay. Now she got the job. Okay, in Atas for 90,000 take home with 1 lakh joining bonus. She was telling to me, in my dream, I did not expect it. At least I thought that I'll get 50,000, maybe 10,000 extra, but I got triple salary. Okay. And one more girl, I'm saying one more girl and guy, they got the salary. See, they were Cognizant BPO. They were working in Cognizant BPO. Again, they are friends. They all got the jobs. Okay, in different companies. They were getting 25,000 to 30,000. And one girl, she got 10 lakh package with 2 lakh joining bonus, I guess. For the first salary, she got 2 lakh salary because joining bonus they will give in the first month. After first month, she was surprised. It seems she never seen the bank account 2 lakhs for the salary. Okay, so kind of so many wonders has happened in our training. Same wonders it will happen with you also. Don't worry at all. Okay, so if you are a BPV background, so these are the things I told, right? These are the people. Deepthi, Sonal, okay, they have got 100% in Cognizant. Priyanka 150% in Capgemini. These are all actually, these people are from BPO background from Pune. And these 3 people first batch they have joined. Then they referred 10 people, I guess. They're all got jobs. Everybody got the jobs. So don't worry, you will get the jobs. I'm saying, if you do hard work, you will get the jobs. Okay. So that is about this one. Okay. So I have told all those things. Yeah. Now coming to the most important part is video recordings. Okay. So the most important things I want to discuss with you is video recordings. Okay. See, if you see the video and if you practice, you will never get a job, because in interview nobody will show you the video and answer the questions. Number 2, in projects they will not give a video and ask you to do the projects. So what I will do is, coming to video recordings, okay, from first session to 7th actually 18, but 8th session I will give the video recordings. It will be available here only. In the first, I will send you the link, the website link. In the website only it will be there. First 1 to 7 I will give the videos to you 1 to 7. After that, you have to listen the live class and you have to practice individually. I will not provide after each session the videos, but if you miss any one or two sessions due to your health issues, due to your travel issues, whatever, 1 or 2 only, please. If you miss daily and if you ask me, please, I don't have time. Really, I don't have time. You don't know. I will get daily basis 50 WhatsApp messages, 20 phone calls, including this. This is only from training, including this office calls, office work, family. These many things I have it. Okay. Fifth, I don't have any assistant till now. I'm looking for an assistant, but till now I don't have. Only for installation, I have 1 or 2 people. Those people are helping you. Okay. So answering daily basis, previous batch people, some problem, some issues, some they want to join, they got 4 offers which I want to join. They will be pinging me. You people will be pinging me. The future batch, they will be asking me when is the next batch start. Daily, I will get at least 40 to 50 messages in WhatsApp. I need to answer them, and also I need to take the calls. Okay, and also I need to do office work. I don't. For 24 hours or less for me actually. Frankly saying, 24 hours or less to me. And added to this, now website has come. Previously, it was at least less work for me. Now the work is doubled for me because I need to handle the website also. Anyways, the website developer is handling the website, but still I need to tell him what to do, all these things. Okay. So all these things I am just doing for you people. That's it, not for myself. Otherwise, website is, it's not a, because why I created a website. You can write an interview. Okay, you can write a test, you can take a quiz, or you can discuss in the forum. For all those things, I have created a website. Okay, not for any other purpose. So I will not having time to upload it, and I give the access to you people the videos. So please take care of this. 1 to 7 defaultly I will give it to you. If you don't ask, if you ask, I'll give it to you. In these 7 to 8 sessions, I will complete 8-10 mappings, Informatica mappings, so that you will be familiar with the tool. After that, you can do individually, but whatever I am explaining in the class, I will send that mapping to you. You can import that mapping in your system, in your laptop. Then you can do it. So don't ask me after the 8 session video, please. Okay, this is about videos. So any doubts still here, please? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
You can
sir.
ask if you have any.
No issue.
No questions?
No, all good.
But will we have access to the website even after completion of the course?
Yes, it's lifetime access. Don't worry. If you have login ID password, then finish. That too, you enrolled my course, right? Then no problem. It will be lifetime. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Next, any other doubts, please?
I wanted to ask for the resume building, if we send our existing resume, so will you modify that, or you
Anything is fine. Anything is fine. Okay. See, you just tell me in the last part, we have resume section also here. Okay. If you go to here, here resume part also there. Okay, so I will send the link. So you just, this is a link. Okay, for resume, this is a link. For you maybe different thing. This is for old batch people like this. You just upload all your details here. How much total years experience you have, how much relevant you have, all the details you fill. It will become for me. Okay, and I will build the resume accordingly. That's it. Either you send yours, not required. If you send yours, I'll modify and I'll send. Otherwise, I'll create a new resume and I'll send it to you according to it. That's it. According to your experience, total experience, relevant experience, like that. Okay. Got it?
Yes,
sir.
thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Next, any other questions, please?
Sir, in interview, what to tell about the project? Because
Yes,
we
yes.
are not.
Whatever I give the project to you, Generically, you can tell. I will tell to you how to explain. Tell me about yourself. They will ask first question is tell me about yourself. What you need to answer. In that, what you need to answer. How to explain about the project. How to explain about roles and responsibilities. Everything I will tell. Everything I will tell.
And
Okay.
one more thing, sir. Is it necessary to learn PLSQL?
Not required. If you have interest, you learn. It's good, but not required. SQL is more than enough. Concentrate more into SQL than PLSQL. Concentrate more into SQL. Okay.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yes, please go ahead. Speak louder.
Yeah. As you said before, you have some more students right here, so you're going to connect with them. So that
Some
would
more
be
students.
from my place. So you're going to connect.
So you are from US, right?
Yeah.
You want my previous batch US people contacts?
Yeah. Either previous batch and this batch, anything that could be fine for me.
Okay, this batch. Any people there in US in this class? Any others, please? I did not remember the names. That's why.
No, sir.
Yeah,
No, sir.
From previous batch also that could be.
Yeah, previous batch. I have
fine.
this batch also. There are 5-6 people are there. Maybe they will join in evening. Maybe
Yeah.
my Indian evening time. Okay. So Kavita, you please WhatsApp me. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So I will send the contacts to you. Okay. We have very good people from US who can help you. Okay. They are really good. I am saying. Okay. That means so they are really helpful for others because they helped a lot. Okay.
Yeah.
So everybody. So not only US people, Indian people also they are. But you want the US people, right? So I will give the numbers
Yeah,
which
yeah.
are from other batches.
Here the
Okay.
market base is different, right? So
Yes.
the ones who
Yes.
already tried, they might know that.
Yes, I will give the numbers. No worries.
Yeah.
You just WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay.
Personally. Yeah. Any other doubts, please?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
One
The one doubt is, do you have any WhatsApp from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. WhatsApp group?
I'll give.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So coming to the morning and evening batches, like as you said, like if I miss the morning batch, I can join in the evening batch, something like that.
Correct.
So going forward, like for example, if we are at session 11 or 12, so some core topic was I already listened in the morning session, but still if I'm having doubts or if I want to re-listen the topic which I have discussed in the morning, so will I be able to join in the evening session?
You can join, but you should be on mute in evening. See, because morning you already joined. See, normally how is morning whatever I tell, evening same thing will be repeated, right?
Okay.
Morning I will be asking questions. Evening also I will be asking questions. When the morning people joined in evening again, these people knows already about the topic, right? Which I am telling about evening.
Yeah.
And they will be answering the questions. So that's not good actually. So that you should not do it. You should be on mute. Because you should give a chance to evening people to speak up.
Yeah.
Until and unless that is taken care, I don't have any problem.
Okay.
So you
Okay.
should
Just
be on
in case,
mute.
like just in case that if we want more clarity by listening it twice.
But what I am saying is, you will get clarity in the first session itself. Don't worry. Okay. I can give 100% assurance for that. Okay, because until and unless all understood, I will not move further. Okay. So you will give it if you want still. If you want still, I can give, but you should be on mute. That's it.
Yeah, sure.
You should not answer the questions again evening. Okay. Yeah, that's about that. Next, please. Any other doubts? Any other doubts, please? Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, let's move then. Okay. So now in this training, what we are going to discuss now? In this training, what we are going to discuss? We'll see. Yeah. In this training, I will be going to discuss about first Oracle basics, Oracle SQL basics. Okay. So you will be proficient. That means you will be very after this training, how you will be? You will be good at Oracle. You should be good at Informatica. You should be good at Unix. Like that. Okay. Now, as of now, in this training, we are seeing Oracle 11G, SQL Basics. Okay. Now, Informatica 10.2.0. The latest version is Informatica 10.5.0, but nobody are using 10.5.0. In my office, still I'm using 9.6.1 only, but the stable version is 10.2.0. Informatica 10.2.0. Informatica PowerCenter 10.2.0. Informatica PowerCenter 10.2.0. Okay, and Unix and data warehousing questions, data warehousing topics. Okay, so these things we'll cover in this training. Okay, these are the things. Okay, now we'll go to the actual our training now. Okay, this and all I told about the basics. We'll go to that first. Okay, yeah, let me open it. Yeah, okay. So now we are going to discuss about ETL in this training. Okay, ETL. What is ETL? Okay, so why we will use ETL? What exactly a ETL? Okay, so we are all joined here to learn Informatica. Okay, we are all joined here for Informatica. What is Informatica? Where it came from? Why you want to use Informatica? Where you will use Informatica? We'll discuss now. Okay. Now, whatever we are, all people are for Informatica, right? We will call it as a business intelligence. We are all into business intelligence technology. The technology is business intelligence. Inside the business intelligence, data warehouse, data mining, data visualization, okay, data visualization, these things will come. Data mining, data visualization, data warehouse. But as of Informatica coming, we are all data warehouse developers. BI developers, that means business intelligence developers, data warehousing developers, or Informatica developers, or ETL developers. Data warehousing comes under BI, Informatica comes under data warehouse. Okay, Informatica is a ETL tool, extract, transform, load. It's an ETL tool. Okay, so if anybody asks you, you selected for a BI project, means it's a data warehousing project. Business intelligence project, or data warehousing project, or ETL project, or Informatica project. All these things are same. Data warehousing is further divided into two tools: ETL tools, reporting tools. What are the ETL tools? Informatica, Data Stage, Talent, Ab initio. Okay, nowadays Snowflake, also ETL tool. Okay, Snowflake, Matillion is a new tool again. Matillion, IICS, Informatica Cloud. These are all ETL tools under data warehousing. And what about the reporting tools? Tableau, Cognos, OBIE, MicroStrategy, Power BI. These are all the reporting tools. In our training, we will discuss about ETL tool, Informatica PowerCenter. We are discussing about only ETL tool, Informatica. Okay, so we are all Informatica developers. We will go, when you go to the project, you will get an Informatica, you will join as an Informatica developer. You are all Informatica developers. Okay, so either BI developers, data warehousing developers, or Informatica developers. That is our job role once we go there. Okay, now as I told you, these are the different ETL tools. What is ETL? I'll come in some time. But these are the different ETL tools. Like we have Android, right? Android used by different mobiles. We will use OnePlus mobile. We will use Samsung mobile. We will use MI mobile. We will use Realme mobile. We will use Sony mobile. All Android only. Android. Same way, Android is an operating system or a concept you think. Android is a concept. Same way, ETL is a data warehousing concept. By using these tools, we will use ETL. We will implement ETL. What are those? Informatica, SAS, Splendid, Ab initio, ODI, Oracle Data Integrator, Talent, IBM Data Stage, SSIS. One second, please. Behold. Yeah, okay. So IBM Data Stage, SAP BO Objects, Microsoft SSIS. These are all different ETL tools. Okay, available in the market. Okay. Now in this we are learning about Informatica. In these different ETL tools, we are learning about Informatica. Okay. Informatica is a company. It's a software company again. Informatica having its own software company. Okay. In India, it's in Bangalore, in Hyderabad, in some other locations also it is there maybe. I know I personally had been to Informatica company in Bangalore, which is in CV Ramanagar. Okay, I have seen the office. Okay. So it's a company. It's a data integration company. It's a US based company. It's a product based company. Informatica is a product based company. Okay. So in Informatica, we have different tools. Not only Informatica PowerCenter, we have Informatica Cloud, we have Informatica Information Lifecycle Management, Informatica Big Data Management, Informatica Master Data Management, Informatica Cloud, Informatica Test Data Management, Informatica Data Quality IDQ, MDM, ILM, IACS, all are from Informatica company only. They have developed these things. They have designed and developed these tools. In this, we are mainly focusing on the middle one, Informatica PowerCenter. Informatica PowerCenter. Informatica PowerCenter is from 25 years, I guess, because when I joined in HCL in 2011, I started my career in 2011. Okay, there I had the people who is having 10 years experience in Informatica. That means 10 plus 10, 20, 25 years. From 25 years, Informatica is there. Still, demand is not less for Informatica. There are hell out of calls, many number of calls in Informatica as of now. Okay, because ETL is that much important. Why ETL is important? Anybody know? Why this ETL tools are came this much importance nowadays? Anybody?
Due to the big data.
analysis.
Due to
To
the
store the historic data.
Just because of market is going only on the data which can store.
Yeah, it's because of the
and
data.
Yeah.
It's because of the data.
Because of every business is going for
For the data.
digitalization.
So see, for every business, if you go for anything, data, until and unless data is there, ETL tools will be there. Okay, data is important. Everywhere data. If you go to the bank, data. If you go to the college, data. If you go to the supermarket, data. Everything is on data. Okay, it's based on the data. That's why these ETL tools are that too. Informatica people. Okay, so because if you know Informatica, you can. If you know Informatica PowerCenter, you can easily learn yourself cloud. You can easily learn Informatica data quality also. So Informatica PowerCenter is basics for all other tools. I'm saying. Okay. So Informatica PowerCenter is basic for all, and it is having huge demand in market now. Okay, that is not wrong at all, because if you place a resume today, you will get the call after half an hour. You place your resume now, you will get today itself the call. Okay, that much calls are there. Okay, that is about this. Now this in Informatica we are discussing on Informatica PowerCenter. That is a ETL tool. Okay, what is ETL? Extract, transform, load. Okay. Before going to ETL, we'll discuss some really basic things. Okay, just give me a second. One second.
Hello.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll see here.
Sir,
Yeah.
before going forward, sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
Yeah. So among all these Informatica tools like PowerCenter, BDM, data quality, all these, so all these tools are related to ETL only,
No.
or
No. These two are only from ETL. Informatica PowerCenter, IAC is only for ETL. This is for different other purpose. MDM is for different purpose. Data quality is different purpose. TDM is different purpose. It's not ETL. No. Okay.
So among these two, like Informatica PowerCenter and Cloud, so definitely the currently the migration is into cloud, right? So what about Informatica cloud services? Like, we'll be getting any knowledge after once we complete this
I will
session?
send a video. I'm preparing a video for cloud for previous batches also. I will give, see, if you learn Informatica Cloud, PowerCenter is the basics. Without Informatica PowerCenter, you can learn, but it's very difficult. You cannot get a job just by people will directly join Informatica IACS training. Okay, they will never get jobs because it's very tough. I'm saying Tough means why? Because they don't know Informatica PowerCenter. If you know Informatica PowerCenter, if you move to the cloud, then it will be very easy for you, and you can because same concept we will use there also, but different way we will use it. That's it. So by end of this training, I will send one video for how to work on how to install Informatica Cloud in your system, how to work individually, where you can learn Informatica Cloud yourself. I will give a video. You can put in your resume. I have strong knowledge on Informatica ISCS. You can put. Okay, but
Okay.
don't tell that I have experience on it. I will tell anyways. I will cover all those things later, but I'll give a video. Okay, about
Okay.
Informatica Cloud. Yeah. Yes. Next, please. Any other questions, please?
Raj, quick question. So when we say Informatica Cloud, is the execution engine same for Informatica Cloud?
No, no.
Product?
Both are different. This is on cloud, okay. Only secure agent will be there in the cloud. But in PowerCenter, we have Informatica server. You might have already installed. Okay.
Yeah.
Here, there is no installation required at all. No installation, directly browser. In the Chrome, you can directly open Informatica. You can do it. But here, so much of installations are required. That's why they made cloud. But still, it will take so much of time. They will give the training on cloud to you. Okay. If they want to move from PowerCenter to cloud, they will give the training. It's not so easy to move to the cloud. It will take years, 5 to 6 years it will take. So don't worry about it. But now people are looking for Informatica PowerCenter people. We are the people. We will go there, and if they will give the training, take the training. But still, PowerCenter projects, more projects are there. Many projects are there. You will get the PowerCenter projects. Don't worry. Okay. But if you get the cloud projects, good. They will give the training. You can work on cloud also because you already know PowerCenter. Okay.
Okay.
Clear, please? Any other doubts?
Sir, so by learning this PowerCenter, so we'll get like minimum basic knowledge of everything, right? Like regarding the cloud or
Yes.
anything. Yeah.
Regarding the cloud, I will give one video to you. You will get the basics.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But see, to learn any of the tool, PowerCenter is required. Any of these things. Everywhere we will use PowerCenter. Here we will use in MDM, we will use PowerCenter, but different tool. MDM is a different tool itself. But inside MDM, we will use in IDQ, we will use Informatica PowerCenter. In cloud also, sometimes from source to stage, we will use PowerCenter. Stage to target, we will use cloud. Kind of that it will be there. In BDM also, we'll use Informatica PowerCenter. This is the basics. If you know PowerCenter, you can learn any other. You can work on any. I have seen many people who worked on Informatica PowerCenter. They move to other projects and they are successfully working. Just a smaller.
Yes.
They are learning and they are given the training by working. They are working. They are working. So no problem at all. Just be proficient in Informatica PowerCenter first. You can learn anything. Okay. Fine.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll go to ETL. What is ETL? ETL means extract, transform, load. What is extract in simple terms? In simple terms, what is extract? Extract, read, extract the data, read the data, get the data, take the data from a table or a file. That is called extract. Transform it, modify it, load the data, write the data, process the data, put the data to the target or a file. That is transfer. That is load. Before going to that, what is the data means? What is data?
Information.
Information collection.
It's the information about any information. About any information like banking information, retail information, insurance information. All this information they will store somewhere. Okay, they will store somewhere. That is called data. Data can be stored in two formats: table format, file format. Data can be stored in two formats. One is table format, one is file format. What is a table?
Combination of
rows and columns.
So a table is a collection of rows and columns. Collection of a table. A table is collection of data. First of all, a table is a collection of rows and columns. Rows also called as see. These are very basics. If you know all these things, it will be boring for you. I cannot do because people are there who don't know these things also. We should take them up to our speed. Okay, so we'll help them. Okay, because they don't know what is these things really. Okay, let's help them. Okay, so now table is a collection of records. Table is a collection of rows. Rows also called as records, and columns are called fields or attributes. Table is a collection of rows and fields. So table will be look like this. Okay, so take any table, table will be look like this. Okay, suppose this is a table, this is a table. So this is called row, this is called column. Okay, a data in this format is called row. In this format, the data in the collection of is a collection of table is a collection of rows and columns. Okay, so data is in the format of tables, table is a collection of. Okay, now where these tables will store, where these tables will store, tables where it exist
Database.
in the database, in the database. Now what is the database?
Information.
Collection of information.
Collection of
information.
Collection of meaningful data.
Collection of organized
A database is a collection of database objects. A database is a collection of database objects. One of the database object also called a table. Database is a collection of, as of now, think that database is a collection of tables. Okay, that means database is collection of database objects. What are the database objects? Tables, views, synonyms, okay, procedures, functions, packages, okay, indexes, all these things, schemas, all these things are called database objects. Okay, one kind of database object is a table. Table where it will store in the database. In the database, tables will store. Data where it will store in the format of table. Tables where it will store in the format of database. In the format of database. So database is a collection of database objects, or database is a collection of tables. Okay. So now, so what in real time, can you tell me any database example in real time?
Customer details database.
Customer details,
Railways.
bank details.
Yeah,
Banking.
customer database, banking database. Okay, these are all the databases. Okay, office database, college database, movie database, customer database, banking, retail, insurance, hospital, medical, whatever it is. These are all the databases. Okay, these are all the real-time databases which we have. Okay, these are all the databases. Now what I told, database, these are all real-time data. Suppose if you go to the big bazaar, suppose they will be entering the transactions, right? If you take the goods, okay, and you will give to the cashier the goods and the cash to them or card to them. They will enter there, right? They will enter. Okay, they will enter. Okay, these many goods he has purchased, customer phone number, and they will enter. When they press save, it will go and store in the database. It will go and store in the database in the format of tables, in the format of rows and columns. Okay. Now, what are the database technologies you know?
Oracle, SQL,
MySQL,
Teradata,
DB2.
Okay. So the database technologies are, there are many databases as of now. 10 years back, maybe less databases. Now, each company has its own database. Each company has released a database. Okay. So Oracle database, MySQL, MySQL database, Microsoft SQL Server database, Teradata, DB2, NetIsa, NoSQL, Postgre, Greenplum, MongoDB, Snowflake, Cassandra, MS Access, Fox Pro. Many, there are 50, 60 databases are there, more than that maybe. Okay. But the most popular one, I can say, till now, maybe it's from 40 years, maybe, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. Okay, maybe I did not born also at the time. Okay. Oracle is a popular one, I can say. It's the oldest one, but still it did not lose its importance. Okay. Oracle is a popular database technology. Okay. So if you know Oracle, you can work in any other database. If you know Oracle, you can work in SQL Server, you can work in Teradata, you can work in DB2, you can work in Greenplum also. No problem. So concentrate more into Oracle, please. Okay. Now, what is Oracle? It's a database. It's a database technology. Okay. Oracle is divided into two parts. One is SQL and one is PLSQL. SQL, PLSQL. Oracle is divided to see. People will be asking, will you teach Oracle or SQL? It's wrong. Oracle having two parts. SQL, PLSQL. Oracle is different. SQL Server is different. MySQL is different. Teradata is different. Okay. These are different database. Same way, table can be stored in Oracle, or they can use same way. See, I can use Android. That means I can use any phone I can use, right? I can use a Samsung phone. I can use a MI phone. I can use a OnePlus phone, whatever it is. I can use the iPhone, whatever it is. Ultimately, why I will use to call, to text, all those things. Same way, to access the tables, we can use any database. Okay, that's depend on your company, which database they are using to access the tables. So the most popular tool is Oracle, please. Oracle database technology. Oracle is most popular. Till now, it's most popular. People are still using Oracle. Yes. Okay. So Oracle is divided into two parts. One is SQL, another one is PLSQL. What is SQL means?
Structured query language.
Structured query language.
Query
Oracle
language.
is structured query language. PLSQL means procedural language, structured query language. PLSQL means procedural language, structured query language. As of now, we'll discuss SQL. Okay, so concentrate. I'm telling on the day one itself. Concentrate more and more and more on SQL, please. If you are very good at SQL, Informatica is very easy. We are using SQL concepts only in Informatica. If you are not good, at least from today, you try to get proficient in Oracle SQL, please. Okay. So SQL is so much of importance it is having. If you know SQL, you can learn any other tool, any other database. Okay. So this is about SQL, Oracle SQL. Okay. So normally how the data will store, as I said, if you go to the bank, okay. So if you deposit 10,000 to them, suppose you give cashier 10,000 to deposit in your bank account. Will he write a create table statement or insert table statement there? Will he write?
Insert.
No.
Will he write?
No, sir. No.
They will be having a front end application like this. Like we are using our website now. Like this, they will be having a website like this. Okay. So they will be having HDFC bank, HDFC database. Suppose if you go to the HDFC bank, they will be having like this customer name. Okay. Customer first name, last name. If they enter customer name, the customer name will come. If they enter customer ID, all the customer details will come. In the deposit box, he will enter 10,000. He will enter like this in the deposit box. Okay. In the deposit, this one. Okay. And then he will click save. When he clicks save, this is called front end application. Okay. This is called front end application. When you click save, internally it will go and save in the table which is in Oracle or SQL or whatever, Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL or whatever it is. So this is called front end application. Your cashier will entering your details in the front end application. Back end, when you click on save or print, it will automatically save in the table. Okay, that is called the back end. That is called Oracle. Okay, that's how the Oracle tables will there. Okay. So now, as I told you, table is a collection of records and columns. So database is a collection of database objects. Okay. Database is a collection of database objects. What are the database objects? Tables, views, synonyms, procedures, functions, triggers, views, indexes, many more things are there. Okay. But a database is a first collection of schema. A database is a collection of schema. If I open the database, I'll show you how the schema looks like. 1 second. Yeah, I'll show you how the schemas will look like. See, this is the Oracle database. I can say example. I'll tell later anyways. These are all the schemas. A database is a collection of schemas. A database is a collection of schema. Okay, schema. What is a schema again? Schema is a collection of database objects. Schema is these are all called database objects. Tables, views, indexes, packages, procedures, functions, operators. All these are all called database objects. In this is a schema. This is having these things. Open one more schema, same way. So database is a collection of schema. Schema is a collection of objects. Did you understand, please? What is a schema? What is a database? What is a table? Did you understand? Any
Yes,
doubts,
sir.
please? Any doubts? Everybody,
No,
any
sir.
doubts, please?
No, sir. No, sir.
So now,
Clear.
No,
So-
sir.
yeah, now we'll go for it. You know about what is the table now. What is the data you know? What is the table you know? What we will do, that means where we will store these tables you know now. Now what is the ETL? ETL is extract or read or get the data from a table or a file. Okay. Get the data from a table. Get the data from a table or from a file. Okay. So that is called extract. Extract means get the data, read the data from a file and transform the data. Transform means change the data, whatever I got the data from source. I got the data from source. See, extract from where? It is called source. Wherever you are extracting from a database, that is called, if you are reading from a table, that is called a source table or source database or source schema. Okay, so that is also called upstream. We will call it as a upstream. Your source is always a upstream. Okay, these are all different terminologies. Anyway, see, in the first session till 3-4 sessions, you will be having little difficulty to understand the terminology. Once 3-4 sessions are there, you can play with them. Don't worry about it. Try to understand how much ever you wanted and try to read after the session so that you will be familiarized with the terminology. Okay, with the terminology. Okay, now extract the data. Etl means extract the data. You see here this image. So this is a database or file, whatever it is. See, if you see this picture, this picture, extract from ERP database, extract from flat files, extract from data files, databases, extract from XMLs. We will take the data and we will change the data. We will change the format of the data. Either we can we can concatenate, we can join, we can sort, we can union, anything we can do it. That is called transform. That is called transform the data and load the data. Load means write the data, put the data, process the data to the target. That is called downstream. That is called data warehouse or OLAP. Anyways, what is the data warehouse? Okay, what is OLTP? What is OLAP? These are boring topics. Okay, so that and all I will tell in middle. First, we will go for practicals. Always we should make our session interesting, not boring. Okay, so I will make the session interesting. Okay, I will not tell theory more. Only today is the theory session. Only today. Next 29 sessions are the practical piece. Okay, so theory I will tell very less. Okay, theory you can read and learn also, but these things, what implementation is important. Okay, so now what I can say, extract from the database, extract from a table, transform it, load it to a table or a file. See, source can be a file, target can be a file. Source can be a table, target also can be table. Extract from the source, load to the target or downstream. That is called ETL process. Extract, transform, and load. Extract, transform, and load. Okay, see, extract from anywhere. You can extract from anywhere. You can extract from a source, or you can extract from a file, or you can extract from a database. You can extract from a table, whatever it is. Same way, you transform it and load to a table, load to a file, load to an XML file. Anything can happen. Okay, that is called extract, transform, and load. If you see here, you see this picture. See, extract from, you can extract from these things, docs, CSV, XLS. You can extract from Oracle's database, SQL Server database, DB2 database. Okay, these people will be entering the transactions. It will come into here and we will transform it. We'll clean the data, we'll remove the duplicate, we'll do the conversion, we'll summarize it, aggregate it, integrate it, and we'll load to the data warehouse. Okay, this data warehouse is also having tables. Okay, and after that it will go to the reporting tools. Okay, this is called ETL process. ETL means extract the data from a table or a file, transform it based on the business requirements, based on your client requirements, and load it to any other table or a file is called ETL process. Is called ETL process. Now we will use ETL tool as a Informatica. By using Informatica, we will extract the data, we will process the data, transform the data, and we'll load the data to the target. Extract from source, transform in Informatica, and load it to the target. All these things we will do in Informatica. Okay, so did you understand what is ETL process means? What is ETL?
Yeah.
Did you understand?
Yes.
sir.
Yes, Raj.
Everybody
Yes,
understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is
Yes.
ETL. Now next, by using Informatica, what we can do? So ETL, yes, yeah, go ahead.
These are all, we are dealing with raw data, right?
Whatever, you can deal with a structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data also. That I will tell
Okay.
when the files concept comes after maybe 3rd session. I'll tell what is structured data, what is semi-structured data, what is unstructured data. Okay, you can process
Okay.
anything, no problem. You can read the data from a table structured. A data file is a semi-structured, An XML file is an unstructured. Okay.
Okay.
We can do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now,
Hello, sir.
yeah, go ahead.
Sir, what is the difference between ETL testing and ETL development?
Yeah.
What they
Good
do
question.
in ETL
Yeah.
testing?
Yes. ETL developer will do the development. That means he will take the data, he will extract the data from source, he will transform the data, he will load the data. Who will do ETL developer will do this by using Informatica. Once you data loaded into the target or data warehouse, once the data is loaded into data warehouse, what ETL testing people they do, they validate the data. Validate, they test the data. That means from source to target, whether the data loaded properly or not, any duplications are there, any truncations are there, any junk characters are there, anything as per the logic, the output correctly coming or not. All these things will be done by ETL tester. ETL developer will use Informatica, but ETL tester will not use Informatica. They will be having some other tools, or they will write the queries to test source data and target data. That is that we will develop it. We will do the mappings, but they will take the data. Once we load the data into our target tables or data warehouse, they will take the data and they will, what they'll do? They will test the data. Test the data. They will not test the mapping. They will test the data according to the logic. Whether the data is correct or not, they will test it. That is the ETL tester role. Okay. Got it?
Testing, tester.
Yeah, both.
are same,
ETL testing resource, ETL testing people. Resource means people. ETL testing resource, ETL testing people, ETL tester, all are same name.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So
E ETL testers will not be having any knowledge about Informatica.
Correct. Exactly. Yes. They know how to run a workflow. That's it. They will, in the testing environment, they will load the data from source to target and they will test the data. There is no ETL tester will never, if they know, that will be added for him. But whoever knows Informatica, they will not work in testing. They will like to work in development. Because testing, see, if I have 10 developers, only 2 testers will be there. Yes or no? In any project, if we have 10 developers, 2 testers will be there. That's it. Or 3 maybe maximum. That's it. Not like 10 developers, 10 testers. No. Always developers will be more, testers will be less, administrator is still less. For 50 people, one Informatica administrator will be there. Okay. See, there are, as you asked, there are 3 kinds of jobs. There are 3 kinds of jobs. What are those? See, one is Informatica ETL developer. One is ETL tester. One is Informatica administrator. What administrator will do? Okay, he will create the users, he will create the repositories, he will create the usernames and passwords, he will handle the repositories. All these things administrator will do. For 50 or maybe 50 developers, one administrator will be there. One Informatica admin will be there. One Informatica admin will be there. For 10 developers, 2 or 3 testers will be there. For 10 developers, 2 or 3 testers will be there. 2 or 3. That's it. Not more than that. But developers, 10 people will be there. So always developers will be having huge number of openings. They will be having good number of good packages, but not testers, but not administrators. Okay. So that's why ETL developers are where they got good packages. Yeah.
Hi, Raj. So how about that Informatica operation support and all?
This is what, right? Support come in development. Support is different thing. In ETL developer, again, 3 kinds of jobs, 3 kinds of projects. In ETL development, there will be development projects, there will be maintenance project, there will be production support projects. Production support projects in Informatica developer. For Informatica developer, you can place in anyone. Okay. But try to avoid this. Production support at least 3 years. Try to, I will tell that. Later I will tell that. Don't worry. Okay. Got it? Got it?
So what is the difference between the maintenance and the production support?
I will tell in later part. After maybe 3-4 classes. Once we familiar with Informatica, once we familiar with some mappings, if I tell, then you will understand. If I tell now, nobody will understand. Leave about it. Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Fine.
Any other doubts, please?
Hello, I have a doubt. You mentioned the words upstream and downstream. So does that mean the target, it is a different word for source and target, or it
Yeah.
is some?
Upstream means source. Downstream means target. Data will flow from up to down. Correct.
Right.
Water will flow from up to down. Same way, data will flow from source to target. Source is upstream, target is a downstream. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
We will call that, people will call in real-time project. See, why I am giving these terminologies, in real time they will use it. You should not feel uncomfortable. What is upstream? I did not know about it. You should know, you should not think about it. That's why I'm giving that kind of things also, which I used in my projects, which they will use the terminologies. You should be familiar with those things also, so that easily you can catch it and you can work it. No need to search for it at the time. Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Thank you.
Yeah. Next, any other doubts, please? Any other doubts? Now we'll see about now Informatica, what it will do. As we've seen, what is ETL, we have seen. Now what Informatica will do. Okay. Informatica is a ETL tool. Again, I told it's a data warehousing tool, it's a business intelligence tool, or it's an ETL tool. It's an ETL tool. In this, three things can be done in Informatica. One is data migration. That means we have a old database. You want to migrate the data. Migrate means what? Copy the data, move the data. Migrate means what? Move the data, copy the data, deploy the data. Copy, move, migrate, deploy, all are same words. But people in real time, they will call data migration, data deployment. They will call those things, those kind of words. Okay, but ultimately what is data migration means? Move from one database to another database by using Informatica. And ETL, this is ETL. So extract from different databases and transform it, load to the data warehouse or database. That is called a ETL, what we do in our. Now, if you have the application A, application B, if you want to get the access for application B from A, if you want to integrate two applications, we can do by using Informatica PowerCenter also. We will not do this in real time. Very rarely we will use it. Nowadays, many free application integration tools has come. So this we are not using as of now. Very rarely we will use, but these two we will use. Mostly we will use this. In rare cases we will this we will never use. Okay. By using Informatica, we can do all these things. We can do all these things. That is the usage of Informatica. Okay. Now we are discussing about Informatica PowerCenter. Informatica PowerCenter. We will extract the data from different source systems or files or others. We will transform it. We will load into the database. We will load into the database. There will be one more kind of people will be there here. If I tell about the people here, where are this? Here there will be one more kind of people. Okay. So as I told you, Informatica ETL developers will be there. ETL testers will be there. Okay. And Informatica administrator will be there in data warehousing projects. Reporting people will be there. Reporting resources, reporting people. Okay. See, once we load to the, see this, once we load the data to the target or our data warehouse, they will generate the reports on it. Who will generate? Reporting people. These people, Power BI, Tableau, okay, or Cognos, MicroStrategy, okay, OBIE, okay, these people are the reporting people. They will take our we are the ETL developers. We will extract the data, transform the data, will send to target. Correct. Tables. Again, target may be a table or a file. Source can be a table or a file. Okay. They will take the data and they will generate the reports, business reports. Suppose Big Bazaar. What is the total India-wise sales, branch-wise sales, okay, and state-wise sales, country-wise sales. So those kind of business reports, which is useful for business. These reports is not for customers. These reports is useful for whom? To the high-end people, high-level people. High-level people means Big Bazaar presidents, Big Bazaar CEOs, or ICICI Bank CEO, CFOs, directors, okay, or whoever. They want to see the business. Okay, what is the today? See, everything is a business in the world. Everything is a business, guys. A bank is a business. Is ICICI doing a charity? No, it's a business. It's a banking business. Ultimately, that they will see, today I got profit or loss. Did I get profit or loss? In Bangalore, what is the profit? In Chennai, what is the profit? In Bangalore, I have 200 branches in ICICI. Total in Bangalore, what is the profit today? Today, what is the profit? What is weekly profit? What is monthly profit? What is quarterly profit? What is yearly profit? These reports based on our data, reporting people will generate the reports, and those will be access to the business people. These are the peoples will be there in our ETL projects. These are the peoples will be there in our ETL projects. So you can see when you go to the project, all these people will be there. Informatica and also, if I tell database administrator, he is called DBA. So what he will do? DBA, he will take care of the schemas. He will decide which database you want to use in our project, which tables you want to use, what are the table structure, what are the columns it should be, what are the data types of that, all things. Who will take care? Database administrator. One more guy also will be there, data architect, DA. This we will call it as data architect. Okay, data architect, we will call it as DA. What he will design the database. Okay, so what are the primary keys? Maybe some projects these two will be same, DBA and DA will be same. Some projects different projects will be out. So when you go to the real time, in few projects only developers and testers, in few projects developers, testers and reporting people, in few projects developers, tester, administrators and data architects, all these people will be there, having different roles. Okay, that is about people will. Again, I will tell how the project works in real time, who and all will be there. Okay, how the requirement comes, how we will take the requirement, how we will implement it. Okay, and what are the daily calls, everything, how real time it will work, I will tell. Don't worry. If you go to the project, you have to do the project. That's it. You should not feel uncomfortable. And go on mute, please. Please go on mute. Okay, don't unmute it. Okay. Yeah, so I will make you comfortable that, okay, whatever you go to the projects, you can easily work on the projects. Okay, so kind of that training as you don't. Okay, that is about ETL Informatica. Okay, till now any doubts, please?
Raj, can you please tell what is exactly data warehouse target it is there? So what
I will tell. It's a data warehouse, whatever we are. I will tell in the data warehousing concepts. I will tell. It's a data warehouse is again a collection of data marts. A data mart is a collection of again databases. Okay, I will tell those things. So let's first see about Informatica. Then later I will tell. Don't worry. Okay. So let's not make because if I go to the data warehouse, then I need to tell many things. It will get bold. Let's not go into bold. Okay. Now I am directly coming into Informatica PowerCenter. Now I am directly coming into Informatica PowerCenter. Informatica PowerCenter is having two kinds of tools. What are those? PowerCenter client, PowerCenter server. While you are installing, you have downloaded two zip files. Yes or no? Did you download two zip files? One is Informatica client.
Yes.
So Informatica PowerCenter is having. So why I have made the video, why I have tried to implement yourself, because you will get to know at least some admin concepts also. Normally in real time, we will install in our systems. We will never create repository. We will never create repository service, integration service and all. Okay, but these are kind of admin roles. You will understand those roles also. When you do it yourself, you will understand. I'm not sure. Okay, so please go on mute. Okay, so one second, please. Okay, leave it. I put him in waiting room. Okay, so please don't unmute until and unless you speak. Okay, if you so much of noise is there in this, please type a message, type your question. I can read it. Okay, and I can spell it. Okay, so please take care of that, because there are how many people are there in this 51 people are there. Okay. So because of 1 people, 50 people should not disturb. Okay. So take care of that, please. Okay. Fine, no problem. Yeah. So no issues. So now we will discuss about what are the Informatica. So Informatica PowerCenter is having 2 kinds of tools. What are those tools? One is Informatica client, one is Informatica server. Okay. Informatica client, Informatica server. So when you install, you will be installing 2 kinds of tools, Informatica server and Informatica client. What are Informatica client tools? So in real time, we will always work on these things. We will never work on, you will never create a repository. You will not create an integration service. You will never create a repository, or you will never create a domain. You will never create a folder. Okay. All these things will be taken care by Informatica administrator. But because you installed, you will be having some knowledge now. So how to create a repository service, how to create integration service, you will be having some knowledge now. That's why I made a video and I have asked yourself to install it. Okay, so that you will be having some idea about it, how to install it. Anyway, if you face any difficulty, so please reach out to me. I will assign somebody to help you. I'll assign somebody to help you. Okay. So that is about Informatica PowerCenter. Now, what are the client tools? PowerCenter Repository Manager, PowerCenter Designer, Workflow Manager, Workflow Monitor. These are the 4 Informatica client tools. And coming to the Informatica server tools, we have integration service, repository service, domains, nodes, all those things will be there. We will not, we should not go in depth, but I will tell the architecture, how the architecture will be of Informatica PowerCenter. Okay, I will tell what is server, what is this one, everything I will tell. Okay. So as of now, there are 2 kinds of tools, Informatica server, Informatica. There are 2 kinds of tools in 2 kinds of things in Informatica. One is server, one is PowerCenter client. PowerCenter server, PowerCenter client. PowerCenter client tools are these things. Where you can see server and client, if you go to start, once you install Informatica, you will be seeing these things. Informatica 10.2.0. Here, designer, manager, Informatica PowerCenter designer, repository manager, workflow manager, workflow monitor. Okay, these 4 are Informatica client tools. Okay, server tools is, if you open this Informatica administrator homepage, so if you log into here, Informatica administrator, admin. Okay. So these are the server tools. So Informatica services, repository services, integration services. These are the Informatica client tools. Server tools. Okay. So we will be dealing in real time always client tools. We never deal with server tools. Don't worry. So you should be familiar with the client tools. Okay. Now, okay, I wanted to tell one thing. Once you install Informatica, when you click on this one, when you open the repository, sometimes error will come. That time what you do is search for services. Here you are seeing services. Are you seeing? Yes or no, please?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Open the services.
Yes, sir.
Open the services. First come to Oracle. These are alphabetical order sorted. Come to Oracle first. Whether check Oracle services are running or not first. Check Oracle service. There are 5 services are there in Oracle. These 5 services, first service is disabled, leave it. The next MTR recovery service, Oracle Service XC, Oracle XC CLR agent, Oracle XC listener, these 4 should be running status. If it is not in running status, right click on it, start it. Once you start, if it is, these 4 should be in running status, then scroll up, then go for Informatica service, or click on I, it will come to Informatica directly. Here it should be running. Okay, when these are running, once you start, suppose if it is not running, start it, wait for 2 minutes. You have to, waiting is important. Wait for 2 minutes, then start it. Maybe daily basis you have to do it. Maybe before you launch Informatica, after launch Informatica, you have to do it maybe. Okay, so you have to start it. Once the Informatica service are enabled, started running, then you can easily connect it. Okay, that is about this one. Okay, now as I told you, there are how many client tools are there? there are 4 client tools: PowerCenter Repository Manager, PowerCenter Designer, Workflow Manager, Workflow Monitor, and also we have services called, we have Informatica servers, we have Informatica services called Repository Service, server-based tools. These are Repository Service, Integration Service, Domains, Nodes. These are all the Informatica servers. What each server will do, what each client tool will do, we'll discuss in the next session. Okay, what each service will do, what each this one will do, we'll discuss in the next session. Okay, because it will take half an hour more, so I don't want people to drag it. Okay, we'll finish by 11:45, 11:30, 11:45, maximum 12. If it is a huge elaborate topic, we'll take 15-20 minutes extra also. Okay, but from Monday, please take care of this. Okay, so what you need to do after this, check. Okay, you have to check this when you open this. Okay, which is that one? 1 second, I'll show you. Just click on this. Which one? This one. When you click on it, this one, it should show for you like this. When you click on this, it should show for you like this, and you have to click on again this one. Once you click on this, okay, it should show like this. Okay, if it should show evening or morning, it should show. If you did not show, then so please first what you do, this one. Okay, I have sent you right this link. First you create the Zoom link first. First you create the Zoom account with the same Gmail ID you are given to me. When you open this, it will show like this. First, if you have with the same Gmail ID Zoom link, Zoom account, then fine. Otherwise, click on this sign up for free. In this, you sign up, you give a date of birth and same Gmail ID. After that, give that Gmail ID here. That Gmail ID should be same which you have logged into my website. Same which you have logged into my website. Same Gmail ID, you give it. Give your first name, last name, your email address, phone number, enrollment ID I given to you. That enrollment ID, register. I will get access. I will get a request. I will approve it. Once I approve it, it will go directly to there. It will go directly to there. Daily, you can come here and you can directly go here, or you can go my website. If you don't have the link, go to here, live session, join live session. Students, join live session. Click on this. Either morning enrolled, evening enrolled. You click on it. It will directly go to the 7:30 evening, morning 9:30. It will start daily basis. Okay. Clear, please. Everybody, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Clear.
Yes.
was my session interesting or bold?
Yes. Yes.
Am I fast?
Very interesting, sir.
Interesting.
Very informative, sir.
Very interested.
Am I go fast? Did I go fast?
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
No, sir.
Yes,
You were
sir.
fast.
Okay, I'll go slow. Don't worry. See, for few
Yeah.
days,
Because
yeah.
it
I
is new
understand.
for me, sir.
Don't
Everything is-
worry. Yeah, don't worry. So it will be, see, because you should be adjusted to my training first. Anyways, in the next session I'll be slow, because theory sessions it will be like this only. We cannot go very slow in theory session. But when I come to the real implementation, I will show you 2 times. Each one I'll show you 1 or 2 times, and I'll go very slow. Don't worry about it. Okay. After 2-3 days, you will feel the difference. You will get adjusted to my training. You will feel the difference at the time. Don't worry about it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any other doubts, please now? So the next session will be on Monday, please. So this weekend, no. Normally weekly 6 days. This weekend, next weekend, no. From next weekend onwards, Saturday session will be there. Saturday session will be there. Weekly 6 days. Sunday is a holiday. Okay.
Sir, today notes, sir.
I'll send after this training. I will be putting here itself.
Yeah.
Go to the dashboard always. Go to the dashboard. Here your courses, enrolled courses, or you can directly go to the courses. Okay. You go to your always. This is your section dashboard. Okay. Go to your courses. I will put it. I'll send the link to you in the WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay.
I'll send the link. I'll put the video also. First video also I'll put it here. The recorded video. Okay. You can directly here means go to the first. When you click on this lesson 1, here you will get a video here, and also a zip file. You will get it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Sure, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Any
Okay,
other questions, please?
No,
Sir,
sir.
this PDF also
hello, sir.
will you share
Yes.
with us, right?
Whatever I show, If I show you something, you will get it.
Okay. Sir.
Hello,
If
sir.
I show you something, you will get it. Don't worry. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I want to ask, while training, you will be taking these meetings on Zoom, and it will also include the practical sessions, practicals
Yeah.
also, no?
Today, only today is a theoretical. From Monday, it will be practical only. You see what I told? You should be listen carefully. That's it. You should be listen carefully. That's it. And implement after the training. Don't implement it. While I am implementing, don't do it. Don't do it. After that, you implement it. You no need to do anything. Only thing is you have to lock your room. You have to sit alone and you have to listen carefully. That's it. Listen carefully. That's it. Don't do anything. If you want, take a pen and paper. And whenever I told about important interview questions, just note it down the topic. Anyways, that will be like this. See, daily what you will get it. I'll show you that also. You see, today you will get it these three. So I showed you the Excel, you will get it. Okay, the today's notes. Okay, if you see the second session, see daily zip, these kind of zip files you will put it in my website. Okay. Next, see the second one. Okay, there is second session here. In this notes, create a schema, queries used in the session, session 1 document, today's notes. If I see in everything, you will get it. Okay. Every day one zip file come to you. Okay. Come to you means in the website itself you can download it. Okay. Got it, please?
Got it, sir.
Yeah.
Because
So,
simultaneously learning and doing practical will make us confusion.
yeah, that's why don't do it. Just listen it. Just listen for it. Okay. Just listen for it. Implement it. If you have any doubts, ask me in the next session. Today's session you practice. That's why I am creating the groups. No, you can discuss in the groups. If you have any feeling difficulties, you can discuss in the groups. You post your screenshot in the group. People will help you. Don't worry.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Okay. So we'll see you. So next session on this, you will understand better.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine. Yes.
Fine, guys. Yeah. Anything else? Any
Thank you,
questions?
sir.
Any questions?
Raj, when the group is creating, Raj?
Which one? These practice groups?
Yes.
Maybe by Sunday. Sunday.
Okay.
Okay,
For
sir.
Monday, it will be available. Okay.
Yeah.
Next. Next, please. Any other doubts?
Sir, I need installation.
Here. You have my website? Do you have my website?
Yes.
Here. This is my website. No. You go to here. Are you seeing courses?
Yes, sir.
Here you are seeing installation process.
Yes.
Seeing installation process. Click on it.
Yes, sir.
Download first these two. Click on this. Download these two first. Then click on this. Download these two. Total 4 zip files you'll get it. Total 4 zip files. After that, watch the video. Whatever I do in the video, do it. This will, if you play it directly, it will go to the video. It will play the video.
Yes, sir. I downloaded that too. So when I extract that, it shows 7-zip software, right? So there is I stuck.
You try with WinRAR software. Otherwise, WinRAR you have?
No, sir.
WinRAR
I will call. I will call you, sir, when
you can
your
call
free
me.
time. Weekend.
No problem. So what you do is you restart, delete all the files, delete all the extracted files. Let it be zip files like this. Restart your machine. Try with WinRAR or 7-zip. It will go through.
Okay.
Yeah. Any others, please? Any doubts, please? How to download? I will send a link. I will send the link to you. Okay. You cannot download. You cannot download. You can play it. That's it. Tell me.
I installed it.
Okay. Okay. You are facing some difficulties.
Yeah.
Yeah. You WhatsApp me, please. You WhatsApp. Yeah. You WhatsApp me personally. Okay. Yeah. Next. Any other doubts, please?
And regarding the resume preparation, Raj, so when it will be done, like after completing all
After
the
completion.
sessions, or like
Yeah, after completion, maybe after 25th session. Don't try before that. My intention is don't try before the training. Okay, you will miss the companies. But try after the session. after the training, you will feel the difference. You will in the first interview itself. I can give 50 people numbers in my previous batches who selected in the first interview. I can give 50 people numbers who selected in the first interview itself. Very first interview. That is the interview. Few people. That is the first interview in their life they selected because they did the hard work. If you want to do it, if you want to get it like that, do the hard work. That's it. Okay, from Monday it will be from Monday. Okay, fine. So after 25 classes, I will give the result to you. Okay, fine, guys.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, how to practice today's session, sir?
How to
practice today's session?
Today nothing is there. No, today is just theory session. No, today nothing is there. You finish all your installations. Okay. So
Yes,
always
sir.
why I start on Friday is because people will be joining still. So one day, today we are almost 15 minutes wasted because of that. Some problems. Okay, fine. It will be like that only. But
Okay, sir.
from Monday you can practice.
Sir, 2 days back, our installation process completed, sir. But not working process, sir.
Ping me. You ping me.
Sir,
WhatsApp. You WhatsApp.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
The
daily.
classes will be end by March first week, I think so.
No, 35 days you calculate from 11th. 35 days.
35 days. 35 working days.
35, no, including holidays, take 37 days, including holidays.
Including holidays, 37 days. Okay, fine, sir. Thank you.
Maybe March 15th or 20th. March 15th, maybe I'll try March 15th.
Okay, fine.
So 10 to 10, 30 days, no? In February,
Yes,
20,
sir.
28 days only, correct?
Yes, yes.
2 days, sure. So maximum March 20th.
So Saturday, Sunday working days, sir.
This Saturday, Sunday, next Saturday, Sunday, no.
Okay.
12th and 13th, 19th and 20th,
Okay,
no.
Okay.
But from 21st, weekly 6 days. From 21st, weekly 6 days. Sunday will be holiday. Saturday morning, both morning and evening, both will be there.
Okay, sir.
From 21st. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
This weekend, next weekend, no. Okay.
Okay.
Because
Okay, sir.
next till 18th people will join. Till 18th people will join. Okay. So that's
Okay.
why I will not take weekends. But from here, for sure, weekends will be there. Okay.
Okay.
Weekends means Saturday, not Sunday.
Okay, sir.
Sunday will be holiday. Yeah. Next.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, coming to the career growth, like once we placed as Informatica developer, what will be the next upskilling career growth to our
Any cloud thing, any cloud technology.
Okay.
Either you go
Like
for Informatica Cloud,
IIS,
ISCS, Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services, or Snowflake, or Matillion, or any cloud. But people are looking for a ETL people now. ETL people, why they are looking? They will give the training on cloud. Because if you know Informatica, you can work on anything. So no need to worry. They will give I will tell you how to handle it. Okay. I will tell you how to handle it. Okay. So you will get a training in the office. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
So just focus on now. Our goal is get a good package in a good company. Simple. As of now, our goal is that. Be prepared for that. That's it. Finish it. Then you will get it whatever you want. Okay. Clear, please?
Yeah.
And
yes,
how many hours you need to practice means you practice 10 hours if you have time. It will be useful for you. Minimum at least 2 hours you practice. Minimum 2 hours training, 2 hours practice. Try, please. Okay. Try. Yeah, you can see first session anytime you can see. Don't worry. Whatever I give the access, it will be full time. Not like only this month, next month. Not like that. Okay. So don't worry about it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Next, any other questions? I will give the practice, how to practice SQL. I'll give the document. I will show you how to create a table. All those things from zero, I will tell from Monday. Don't worry about it.
Coding knowledge is zero. I get this course.
Yeah, fine. Very less coding. Only queries will be there. See, database will be there if you go to any technology. Go to Power BI, go to Tableau, go to any other thing, database will be there. You have to write the queries. So practice how to write the queries first. Okay. That is not a big deal. Oracle is very easy. SQL is very easy. Don't worry. I will make you easy. Okay. It will be very easy. If you don't know anything, you can get a job. I have many people I know from my training. Okay, they don't know anything. They got the jobs and they are working successfully. They are working successfully without any support. That I can proudly say. See, you go to any advertisement, any training advertisement, what they tell, I'll give the proxy, I'll give the support. For the first day itself, they will tell. Before that, they will tell, I'll give the support. Only my training, I can proudly say, I will not give training. Sorry, I will not give proxy. I will not give support. Still, my people can manage. Okay, only my advertisement is like that. That's it. Not any other advertisement will be like that. They will tell, we'll provide all the recordings, lifetime access for all the recordings. What is the use? If you don't give the good training, what is the use of recordings? There is no use. Nothing. You should give the good training. Then, without, if you give the video or not video, they will practice for sure. If you make candidates to understand, then they will cope up. Otherwise, if you give 100 videos, what is the use? In YouTube also, I'll find 100 videos. What is the use of it? No. So don't worry. So you will see it. Okay. So you will see the training, how it goes. It will be very interesting. You will get the jobs. Don't worry. Okay. Who given the transformation flows means your team lead will give the requirement. I will tell you. I'll tell you. All those things I'll tell you. Next.
So I just have one doubt. Currently in my project, I have come to realize that my role is that of more of an admin, as you said. So I'm creating folders and I don't have much hands-on. The tool which we are using is data stage, and that too I'm just checking the logs sometimes. So I just want to clarify that whether with my experience I'll be able to make a switch.
Yes, whatever you have some experience. Okay, that is good. Actually, you have some experience. Don't worry about it. Okay, so don't worry, you will get it. You will get it for sure. Okay, whatever, how many years experience you have? 2 years, 2, 3, more than that?
Yeah, 3, but
3. Whatever, you can try with 3 plus Informatica, you can easily get a job and you can easily work on it. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Next. Any other doubts, please?
Raj, I have one doubt, Raj. So currently we are using 10.2 version, right? That Informatica.
Yes.
So when I got placed in any of the company, so do I need to have the experience of other old versions?
Not required.
Okay.
Not required. Not required. 9.6. It's a better version. No. 9.6.1 having less features. 10.2 has more features. It look like same. Every PowerCenter it look like same. Whether it's a 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is not come. 10.5.0 is the current version. We are using 10.2.0. That's the stable version we will use in our offices. But in my office still I am using 9.6. Both all looks like same. Internally some features are changed. That's it. Looks like everything same. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Raj.
So while getting interviews, so will they ask us about the 10.5? Like currently we are having 10.5. Why you are using 10.2? Something like that.
No. They may ask what is the difference between 8 and, if they put in the resume that I have worked on 9 and 10, they may ask what is the difference between Informatica 9 and 10. They may ask what is the current one you are using. You can tell 10.2. That's client wish. That is not your wish. Whatever your client are using in your project, if they are using 9 version, you should use 9 version only. So nobody will ask. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
Any other doubts, please?
Sir, those who are not working in Informatica now, can they apply the Informatica, their experience as Informatica developer?
Yes. I will tell you all those things. Don't worry. You ask these questions after 15 days. Okay, not now. Okay. So because you will, if I tell also you will not understand. Don't worry. Everybody can do it. Everybody can do it. Everybody can get the job. When you do the practice. If you don't do the practice, can't do anything. If you don't do the, nothing will come easily. If it's coming easily, it will not sustain, please. If it is coming easily, it will not sustain. If you do hard work, if it comes, it will long last. Simple. That's what I follow. The same thing you follow, please. You will get it. Don't worry.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Then Monday we'll meet again. Okay. So meanwhile, you please do it whatever I said. Today only you do it. Monday again, I don't want to send one more link to you. The same link we should use. So take care of it. Yeah, tell me.
Thanks.
Anybody asking any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay then. Have a good day.
Thank
Have
you,
a good
sir.
weekend. See you on Monday, please.
Same to you, sir.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye bye.